hour, heading for Frisco Bay. She said, Senor, you got cop on your shoulder. I said, oh, now, better not stay. Now, we got to get away with our bad breaks, lawless shakes. Looks like we're heading for a great time. Oh. He was catching up, nose right inside our mirror. When the motor blowed, we climbed out and she began to shiver.